Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide FaceTime and its content to appear in search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, tap on Siri in search. Then in here, go down to the while searching section and then tap on Show App in search if you want to allow FaceTime to appear in search. And then below that is the Show Content in search. So in here, you can tap on the Show Content in search toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And if you turn this on, you will allow FaceTime content to appear in the search result. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.